Yo, what's good? It's your boy nikdob. Pretty much this gonna be the first video for y'all. Just a little something I seen on the market, something to get the channel going. Probably gonna take a look at the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, and maybe the 1 hour for y'all. See what I see what I got marked up, see what I have marked up for the past couple months now. So we'll start off on the weekly here. So what I see first here is my consolidation that's happening here, or that happened here, and that's coming from that previous bullish impulse in the market from the recent consolidation zone, which was making that head and shoulders pattern. You can clearly see here that the head and shoulders take profit zone was technically the technical target. If you bring it up here, bring it out there, from the breakout zone here, technically we've been hit, right? So what we can expect after the market touching this previous zone is some kind of retracement back down to support, maybe even further decline to touch these liquidity levels here, get some more buying pressure to reset the market back into its trajectory. At the moment, that's not really in play. We can clearly see that after this bullish move to the upside, after prices hit target, the price of gold has still pretty much been steadily in the upcline. So looking from this flag, from the bullish move to the previous resistance of the top of the pole, you want to take it from the breakout of the consolidation of the flag. Like I said, this flag pattern looks something like flat and up. Typically you can see a flag pattern that goes down. You can typically see a flag pattern that goes sideways. This one happened just to be going like this. So we have clear break above this zone here, and we even have a weekly fair value gap that is now formed at the low of this previous wick, going up with a nice target at 28.5 roughly. So that is where price is heading, hopefully in the next couple months here. But if we take it down a notch just to the daily, just to see what price is working with here, we can clearly see that price has moved from this zone here, just like the weekly. It consolidated and created a nice little W pattern. This W pattern is significant to me, however, because it's made a double bottom here, a double bottom there. Two nice rejections, nice break above previous resistance, only indicating buying pressure, which is clearly what's happening here. So from that said, we'll take the high of the W to the low of the W, and we'll take that to the breakout zone, and that roughly give us a price of 25.9. So with that said, we got two very bullish price momentum structures on the weekly and daily. Even looking down here at the RSI, you can see it's more in the upper channel here, which indicates that buying pressure. Potentially see some more bearish price action if this bearish divergence did play out. However, price is looking to steadily hold it. So as the weekly and the daily continues to rise, we hop our way down into the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that price is making these lovely triangles, right? So I got these two triangles here, and on the 4-hour time frame, previously we had the triangle here from the high to the low to the breakout zone, which is equaling roughly around 25.8. The same target for the new triangle that's breaking out here is 25.8. So I got pretty much two confirmation on the 4-hour that says that this is a nice target zone. I got my daily indicating that 25.90 is a zone, which is what, 10 points, 100 pips difference. And then I have my 1 hour. Let's take a look at the 1 hour as well, which is also showing a target of 25.70. So roughly in that same ballpark. You can see here on the 1 hour, we got a nice little head and shoulders pattern coming up here. So if price do break out above this previous highs here, above this zone here, which technically it has broken above this zone here, I do want to see more price action above the 2030 area into the 2050. If we can hold above the 2050 and not reject, but instead something go like this, then I can see that price target of 2580 hitting hopefully in the next coming weeks here. So we just got to be patient. Like I said, this is pretty much what I see. Just to sum it up, crazy price target for a W flag pattern on the weekly. Our a weekly flag pattern at the target of 2850. I have a daily W with a target at 2590. I have a 4-hour 2 double triangle target. Both are sitting at 2580. And I have my 1-hour head and shoulders also sitting at 2575, roughly 2580. So we'll see how this plays out. Like I said, price don't really have much of anywhere to go other than up, as a lot of these fair value gaps are being touched. If we do see price, of course, we always got to take consideration of the bears. If we do see price continue to decline, we can see maybe a price retest back to the 2490 area, maybe even get as low as back to the 2070 area. If price was to break below this area here, I would wait for that break and retest to confirm further decline back into the previous consolidation zone. But we ain't that far yet. For the most part, price could just wick up, work to the downside, and just keep consolidating. Like I said, we can take those trades on the smaller time frames. I'm gonna post all my trade signals in the Discord. You can definitely take a look at the Discord link below. At the moment, it is free right now. Don't really have much members in the Discord, but like I said, this is my first video. I hope it went pretty smooth. Hopefully it's not too long. And from here, we only going up. We'll see how much I can this channel grow by the end of the year. I'm shooting for maybe like 100 subscribers, nothing too lofty, but if I can get up there, that'd be pretty nice for myself, a little goal on the social medias. Hey, I appreciate y'all for watching. I hope y'all like my analysis here on the XAUUSD gold chart here. Please leave some comments below. Let me know what you think, what your price points are. You can always follow me on also TradingView. I post a lot of my setups there, and like I said, the Discord link is down below. Y'all take it easy. Peace.